When sleep apnea patients can't sleep, their compliance declines and their complaints rise. That's why Philips Respironics developed a number of technical innovations that make our System 1, the industry's most intelligent sleep therapy system, even quieter than before. Like most electronic devices, sleep therapy systems produce both static and dynamic noise. Static noise occurs when a device is simply on, but not being used by patients. Think of the noise a car makes when its engine is on and merely idling before you step on the gas. The true test of a system's ability to perform quietly is what we call the dynamic noise, the delta, or difference between the device's highest and lowest noise levels when a patient is actually breathing. Because it continually changes up and down, dynamic noise is irritating to the human ear. That's one of the reasons why sirens are so effective at grabbing our attention. In noise testing by an independent third-party laboratory, System 1 REMstar Auto outperformed ResMed's S9 AutoSet device with dramatically lower dynamic noise levels in simulated breathing conditions, inhaling and exhaling on a test lung. Take a look at the results. At varying pressure relief settings, System 1 operates much more quietly, with lower dynamic noise than the S9. This is the difference between a device's highest and lowest noise levels while a patient is actually breathing. At a pressure relief setting of 0 and a pressure setting of 10 centimeters without humidification, System 1 operates at a dynamic noise sound pressure level of 2.6 dBA, while the ResMed S9 climbs to 4.3 dBA. When the pressure relief setting is increased to 3, System 1 is again dynamically quieter, producing only 3.4 dBA to the S9's 4.5 dBA. And System 1 maintains its edge when humidification is added, still performing more quietly than the S9 where it matters most, in simulated breathing conditions. At a pressure relief setting of 0 and a pressure setting of 10 centimeters with humidification added, System 1 emits a dynamic noise level of only 3.5 dBA, while the ResMed S9 comes in more than a full dBA louder at 4.6 dBA. And when the pressure relief setting is increased to 3, System 1 wins yet again, operating at 4.2 dBA to the S9's 4.8 dBA. The laboratory results paint a very clear picture of the dramatic dynamic noise level difference between System 1 and the ResMed S9 while breathing. Without a doubt, System 1 is quieter dynamically. In fact, on average, System 1 is 25% quieter than the S9 during simulated breathing conditions. And the ability to operate quietly when in use is critical to patient compliance. It's easy to see why the quieter System 1 is the smart choice for patients, providers, and clinicians. Because when it comes to noise, less really is more.